Welcome to another tutorial on the web lead tools. And here, if you click on web lead tools in the client portal, you will see that there are two options available for you, the actual web lead form as well as my leads. If you click on web lead form as we have here, you can see that this is a custom form that you can actually place on your website that will allow the client to be able to fill out information and to become a lead for your services. You can actually give the lead form a title, I'm ready to join, and of course set the frames for and the dimensions for the actual form that you're going to be using. And here's an optional redirect URL that you can use to be able to send that particular client somewhere else to either your website or some other services that you're offering after they have submitted the button here to and added the information to this particular form. So let's preview this particular form, and the client or the potential client can fill out this information. And when they do and click on submit my information now, that information will take them directly to the leads area here, or it can be redirected to wherever you place here for that particular client. And if that client goes to the my leads area, this is where they will be listed here under the leads, my leads area here. These are all leads. These are not clients. You have the ability to make these leads into clients or send them to your client area just by clicking the button and leads to client button, and it will take this particular client, John Connor, to your client's area over here where they will be listed here as a client. So if we take a look here, there is no John here, and we go back to our client portal and we want to go back to the leads area and where it says my lead, and then we're going to look at John Connor. We want to make John Connor a customer because they either paid, we've talked to them, we've called them, because here you can email John Connor. You can also call John Connor directly here if you have a phone system connected to your computer that allows you to make calls. You can do that right from the My Leads area. So let's just click this button and then send John Connor to our client area. Once that's done, you see that he's no longer in our leads because he's a client. If you go back to our client area here, we can see that John Connor is there. All of his information is there, and we can start doing work for John Connor. So that's the key for my leads, and I think that covers the whole aspects of leads. You have the ability, also you have the ability to search for any potential lead. Once this particular list get long, you can actually type in a person's first name or their email address, and you can find any lead that you have. Someone calls and say, hey, I fill out a form and I want to talk to you. And if you have a lot of customers, you can actually search and find that customer here in the leads area. And I think this concludes our tutorial.